Hello students, welcome back to Infinite Adhyaya. So today in this particular video we shall be solving few more problems relating to percentage and loss. In our previous class we have there was an introduction of percentage and loss. In that we came to know what is percent, what is loss, and how to find gain percent, there is loss percent, how to find SP, that is selling price, cost price, everything. Okay, and then also we have solved few problems. So in this particular video we shall be continuing the solving of questions so that the concepts must get more cleared. So as of the earlier one, here this question is also same. Here we have to find out the gain percent, and here gain or whatever gain, either gain or loss percent. Here SP is 7750 and CP is 600. Okay, so by looking we can just say that in this transaction was a profitable transaction. Okay, because why? Because we know when SP is greater than CP, we have made profit, we make profit. Okay, so definitely here we will find out gain percent. So how to find gain percent? That is, what is the relation between gain percent and CP? It is what? Gain divided by CP into 100. Okay, we will be finding the gain percent. So first we have to know what is gain, that is how much we have gained here. So how to find the gain? We have to subtract this cost price from the selling price, isn't it? Then we will find the gain, and we know CP is here already is given 600, so we can easily find out the gain percent. So now let's start solving the question. So first we will write here SP equals rupees 750, then CP equals rupees 600. Okay, so we will write since SP greater than CP, therefore gain equals SP minus CP. Okay, so here SP is how much? It is rupees 750 minus 600. Okay, so if we subtract the result, it will be how much? 150 rupees, 150. Okay, so right, therefore gain is gain equals rupees 150. Okay, now we have to find out the gain percent, isn't it? So right, now gain percent equals gain by CP into 100, gain by CP into 100. Then after simplifying we'll put the percent sign, so here gain is how much? 150 rupees, 150. CP is how much? Rupees 600, and that into 100. Okay, so this 20 will be cancelled, this rupees cancel. Now we have to we can cancel 6 with 150 with 6. Look, 6 into 2 is how much? 6 into 2 it is 12, then 6 into 5 is 30, so it is how much? 25%. Okay, so how much gain we have done here? We have gained 25%. So right, therefore gain percent is 25%. I hope this was a very easy question, isn't it? And just you have to find out the gain, and then you can easily find out the gain percent. Okay, so how to find out the gain? From SP and CP we can easily find out gain. Okay, so this is how you can solve this such type of problems. So now better let's move to our next question. That is, next one is also CP equals 1250, SP equals 1000. Okay, so same question, but CP and SP are different. So let's see what is the gain or loss, whether it is gain or loss percent. Here SP is how much? SP is 1000, SP is rupees 1000, is this number 2, and CP is 1250. Okay, so we'll write according to SP equals here SP equals rupees 1000, CP equals 1250. So this means what? This is loss or gain? Here cost price is greater than the selling price, isn't it? So that means it is loss. So right, since CP greater than SP, therefore loss equals rupees 1250 minus 1000. Okay, so it means rupees 250. So in the transaction, the merchant or the shopkeeper lost rupees 250. So it is loss, isn't it? So right, therefore loss equals rupees 250. Up to this clear? Okay. So now we have to find out the loss percent, isn't it? Loss percent. So we can easily find out loss percent. Loss percent means what? Loss by CP into 100. Loss by CP into 100. Okay. So right now loss percent equals loss by CP into 100. Okay. So here loss is how much? 250. CP is how much? CP it is 1250 into 100. Okay. Then look, this 0 0 can be cancelled, then this also can be cancelled with 5. Let's cancel with 5. 5 into 2 is 10, then 5 into 5 is 25. Okay. This can be also cancelled with 5. 5 into 2, 5 into 4 is okay, 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 5 is 25, then 0, isn't it? Then again 25 into 1 25, 25 into 2 is 50. So what left? 2 into 10, isn't it? 2 into 10%, that is 2 into 10 is how much? 20%. So in the transaction, the shopkeeper and the merchant has lost 20%. So we'll write therefore loss percent is 20%. I hope this is clear to you, right? Okay, so now let's move to our next question, that is question number 5. In this question, we have to find out the selling price. Here cost price is given, and in this number 1 gain is given, and then we will solve another one where loss is given. Okay, so now we know what is the relation between selling price, cost price and gain, isn't it, or loss. So what was the relation? That is SP equals CP into 100 plus, if it is gain, it is CP into 100 plus gain divided by 100, isn't it? So we will just substitute the values here and then find out the selling price. Very easy questions, just have to know the formulas and the process of adding and subtracting, multiplying. Generally this is known by everyone, just you have to know the relation. Okay, relation of cost price, gain and the selling price. So we'll write here is CP equals or cost price equals, here CP equals rupees 500. Okay, and gain equals 13%. Okay, now we know what did we know? We know SP, that is selling price, equals CP into 100 plus gain percent, CP into 100 plus gain percent divided by 100. Okay, up to this clear? Up to this what we have done? We have done nothing, just written what we know. Okay, now also we will not do nothing, just substitute the values. Okay, so here CP is how much? CP is rupees 500. So in place of CP you will write 500, then 100. Okay, then gain is how much? Plus it is 13, then divided by 100. Up to this clear? Okay, very good. So now look, in place of 500 will remain unchanged, then into 100 plus 13 is how much? It is 113 divided by 100. Okay, so these two zero will be cancelled. So what left? 5 into 113, 5 into 113. So now we can easily multiply this and find out the product, and their product will be the what? Our required SP. Okay, that is the selling price. So 5 into 3 is how much? 15, remainder 1, 5, 6, then 5 into 1 is 5. So 565, that is rupees 565 is our required answer, which is our required selling price. Okay, selling price of that article or whatever you want to say. 5 into 3 is 15, 1, 5 into 1 6, then 5 into, so right, therefore SP is rupees 565. Okay, SP is rupees 565. After this clear? Okay, now we will solve one more, that is which having loss, that is we will find out SP when we are having loss, and the remaining are same questions. Okay, just you have to change the SP CP and gain, and then the remaining problems and the remaining steps you know how to multiply or add one number with the other number one by one, isn't it? So you will solve the remaining problem. So one more, let's solve of different type, that is which have loss. Okay, so one of loss, CP equals 6 to 6500. Okay, it is number 2. Okay, CP equals rupees 6500, CP equals rupees 6500, and the loss equals LRSS, loss equals 20%. Okay, CP equals 6500 and loss equals 20%. So we'll write solution. We have to write the solution, isn't it? And here CP equals rupees 6500, then loss equals 20%. We know SP equals CP into 100 minus loss percent. Okay, 100 minus loss percent. If it was gain, we would have written here plus again. Okay, and divided by 100. Okay, so now we will just substitute the values and find out the SP. Okay, so in place of CP we will write 6500, and in place of loss we will write 20, and then it is very easy. So here CP is how much? CP is 6500 into 100 minus 20. Okay, 100 minus 20 divided by 100. So it will be 6500 into 100 minus 20 is how much? We can directly write it. 100 minus 20 is 80. Okay, 80 divided by 100. 00 cancel. Left is what? 65 into 80. So we can easily multiply. 8 into 5 is how much? 8 into 5 is 40. Okay, 40, remainder 4. 8 into 6 is how much? 8 into 6, 48, isn't it? 48 plus 4 is how much? 52. 5 2, and this 0. Okay, so here SP is how much? SP, look, our CP was, cost price was 6500 and SP is 5200. That means it is loss, isn't it? Because here SP is smaller. So we'll write therefore SP is rupees 5200. Okay, I hope this is clear to you, right? How to find out the SP when it is gain, and how to find out the SP when it is profit. When it is profit, just one difference in the relation, that is it will be plus gain percent, and when it is loss, it is minus loss percent. Nothing more difference. Okay, so now let's move to our next question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 is also same. In that case we have to find out the CP. Okay, SP is given, we have to find out the CP. So no need to worry, let's multiply. Okay, and let's find out. So the question number 6 will be what? Find the cost price. Okay, find the cost price in each of the following cases. Okay, so number 1, here SP is given, then gain or loss percent, whatever is given, we have to find out the cost price. Okay, so what? Okay, so here SP is 700 and loss is 20%. Now we have to find out CP, and we also know the relation of CP equals what? SP and loss, isn't it? What was that? CP equals SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss, or and if it is gain, it will be 100 plus gain. So we'll write here solution. Then here SP equals rupees 700, then loss equals 20%, isn't it? Here loss is given how much? 20%. Okay, now we'll write we know the relation between the SP loss and the CP. Okay, so it was CP equals SP, that is selling price, into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent. Up to this clear? Okay, now we'll substitute the values and we'll find out that is our required cost price. Here CP is how much? 700, then into 100 into 100. Okay, then 100 minus 20. Okay, 100 minus 20. Okay, now we can easily find it, very easy, such type of problems. Just substitute the values and solve. So we'll write here 700 into 100 divided by 100 minus 20 is how much? It is 80, isn't it? 80. So we'll cancel 0 0, then 2 into 4, 2 into 5, okay, 2 into 5. Then again we can cancel it with for example 2, or we can cancel with 4 also. 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 1 is how much? 4. Then 3 0, 4 into 7 is how much? 4 into 7 is 28, 4 into 7 is 28. Then 2 left, 2 0, 4 into 5 is how much? 20. Okay, so here left how much? 175 into 5. Now if we find the product of 175 and 5, we can easily find out our required cost price. So we'll here first multiply 175 with 5. 5 into 5 is how much? It is 25, remainder 2. 5 into 7 is how much? 35 plus 2, it is 37. Here 3, 5 into 1 is 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. Okay, so our required cost price is how much? It is 875. Okay, so we'll write therefore cost price or CP is rupees 875. Up to this clear? Okay, so by this we can easily find out the cost price or selling price or whatever they want, we can easily find out. So let me check. Yes, it is 875. So now let us solve one more let us find out one more cost price where we have gain. Okay, where we have gain. So let's take another equation or problem. SP equals 1460, 1460. SP equals 1460 and gain equals or profit equals how much? It is here 25%. Okay, 25%. So we'll write here SP equals whatever do you want, right? Okay, if SP is given, that is gain is given and profit is given, only one difference. If gain is given, plus gain. If loss is given, then minus loss. Okay, let's solve the remaining. SP equals 1460, then gain equals 25%. Okay, now we know SP equals or what? CP equals SP into 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent. Up to this clear? Now we will substitute the values. Here SP is how much? SP is 1460 into 100 divided by how much? 100 plus gain is how much? 25. Okay, 25. Okay, now many of you can you will do this mistake, that is direct cancel with 25 and 100, but this is not the way. Okay, first you have to find out the sum of 100 and 25 and then you can cancel it. Okay, so it will be 1460 into 100 divided by 125. Okay, now we can cancel this 125 and 100 with 25. 25 into 5 is 125, 25 into 4 is 100. Up to this clear? Now we can cancel 1460 with 5 also. So let's cancel. 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, 4, 6, 5 into 9 is 45, isn't it? Then 105 into 2 is 10. Up to this clear? Now we'll find out the product of 292 as well as 4. So if we multiply 292 with 4, the result will be how much? 4 into 2 is 8. Then 4 into 9 is how much? 36. It will be remainder will be 3. Now 4 into 2 is how much? 8 plus 3 is how much? It is 111. Okay, so here in this case cost price is how much? It is 1168. Okay, so we'll write therefore cost price is 1168. Okay, it will be rupees 1168. So I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. We will discuss the same problem in our next class in a better way if you don't understand. Okay, so now let's move to our next question, that is question number 7. And the question is, Shruti purchased an umbrella for rupees 750. She spent rupees 30 on its repair and sold it at a profit of rupees 60. Find the SP of the umbrella. I think this is the easiest question of this exercise. Okay, nothing else to do, just you find the sum and you can easily find out the selling price. Okay, it is the most easiest question. After solving, you will say that yes sir, this was the easiest question. Look how to find out. Just first find out the cost price. Cost price will be how much? So purchase rupees on here CP equals rupees 750. Then she spent rupees 30 units repair, that is extra expense. So right, extra expense expense extra expense equals rupees 30, isn't it? And then profit, she again solved it. Okay, and now we'll find out effective cost price. Okay, effective EFFECTIB effective CP equals rupees 750, rupees 750 plus 30, it will be how much? It will be rupees 780. Okay, it will be rupees 780. After this clear? Okay, now we one more information is given here. Profit 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 equals rupees 60. Okay, now we can easily find out the selling price, because we know selling price, that is SP equals CP plus profit. After this clear? Okay, so here CP is how much? 780, isn't it? Here we are considering about the effective cost price. Okay, that is our total cost price, not this one, because she has invested rupees 30 more, isn't it, in the umbrella, so that will be included in the cost price. Okay, so here effective cost price is how much? 780. So I've written here 780. Okay, and then plus profit is how much? 60, isn't it? So if we add them, it will be how much? 0 8 plus 6 is 14 1 8 rupees 840. Okay, rupees 840 is the selling price of the umbrella. After this clear? Okay, so we'll write therefore Shruti solved, SHRUTI Shruti solved the umbrella, the UMBRELLA umbrella for rupees 840. So this is the easiest question. I am telling you, this is the easiest question of this exercise, and I hope you have understood it. And it was an interesting question, because this is a girl and everyone wants that girls make a profit. Okay, so now let's move to our next question, that is question number 8. So, and the question is same as the earlier one also. In this case we have to find out the gain percent. Okay, so let's once read the question. Ria purchased a machine for rupees 36,000 and spent rupees 2,400 on its repair. Okay, and then she sold it for rupees 42,000. Find the gain or loss percent. So before saying whether she gained or lost, we have to find out the cost price, that is effective cost price, isn't it? And here SP is given. After comparing, we can say that whether she had gain or loss, isn't it? If she gain or loss, then we have to convert it into the percentage, that is we have to find out the gain or loss percent. After this clear? Okay, so now let's write solution. Then here SP of the machine, or CP of machine. Okay, CP of machine equals rupees 336,000. Okay, then cost of repair, okay, or extra expense, or we can say the cost of repairing, repairing. Okay, cost of repair PAIRING, cost of repairing equals rupees so much? It is 2,400. Okay, cost of repairing, it is 2,400. And now she sold it for okay, now we have to find out the effective cost price, that is total cost price. So we'll write effective cost price, EFF ECTIB effective CP equals rupees 36,000 minus 2,400. Okay, so it will be how much? 2,400. So it will be 0,0483. So it is 3,800, 38,840. Okay, and here SP is how much? SP is rupees 42,000. Okay, SP is rupees 42,000. So which one is greater, CP or SP? SP is greater, that means she has gained in the transaction, isn't it? So right, since SP greater than Cp, therefore gain equals Sp minus Cp. So here Sp is how much? Look, Sp is 42,000. So right here 42,000 minus Cp is how much? 38,400. Okay, so right here 38,400. Okay, 38,400. Now we can easily find out the gain. Okay, so let's subtract 42,000 then 38400. So 0 0 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. Then 11 minus 4 is how much? 11 minus 4, it is 8 9 10 11 3. Okay, so it is 3,600. 3,600. Okay, it is rupees 3,600. Now we have to find out the gain percent. Okay, now gain percent, for finding gain percent is what? Gain by Cp into 100, isn't it? We already know what is the gain here, and we also know what is the Cp. Okay, so yes, Cp. Now we can easily find out the gain percent. So let's find out the gain percent here. So we'll write now gain percent. Okay, gain percent equals gain by Cp into 100. Okay, so here gain is how much? Rupees 3,600 by Cp is how much? Rupees 38,400. Okay, 38,400. Okay, into 100, 100. This 20, this 20 will be cancelled, the rupees cancel, and now we can subtract it, or we can divide with 384 directly also, but we'll cancel it with what? Let's cancel with it with 2. 2 into 1 is 2, 1, 2 into 9 is 18, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 1 is 2, 1, 6, 2 into 8 is 16, then 00. Then again 2 into 9 is 18, 1 to 2 into 6 is 12, 2 into 9 is 18, then 00, then 2 into 4 is 8, 1, 6, 2 into 8 is 16, then 2 into 4, 1, 0, 2, 5 are 10, then 00, then again let's cancel with it 48 into 5, let's cancel 48 into 5 is how much? 48 into 5, 8 5 is 44, 5 4 is 20, 24. Now 8 okay, let's cancel with it 2. 2 into 2 is 12, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 4 is 28, 2 into how much? 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 1 2 into 2 is 4, 1 0, 2 into 5 is okay. So again this 24 and 225 can be cancelled with 3, isn't it? 3 into 8 is 24. Okay, and then 3 into 7 is 21, 1 5, 3 into 5 is 15. So long, isn't it? But what to do? You can cancel yourself also in a short process. Okay, so what left? It is 75. Look, 75 into 1 is 75, 75 divided by 8. Okay, 75 divided by 8. Now let's divide. Up to this you can write the answer and put the percent and no problem. Now if you want to convert it in the mixed fraction, it will be the better way, because that is the standard form. Okay, so let's convert this 75 8 into 9 is 72, isn't it? 8 9 is 72, so it will be how much? 8 into 9 is 72, then 3, isn't it? 8 into 9 is 72 plus 3 is 75 divided by 8%. Okay, so now we'll write, therefore the gain percent is this one. Okay, or RIA gained this percent. So we'll write, therefore RIA, RIA, RIA gained 9 into 3 by 8% in her transaction. Okay, so this is how we can solve such type of problems. Very easy, just you have to know the process and few relations of cost price gain or whatever. Okay, there are a few relation, 6 relation. Okay, just you have to know that, and you have to know the process, and you can easily find out. Okay, you can easily find out the or you can easily solve the questions. So today let's end it here. Meet you in the next class. Before that, stay safe, stay blessed. Tata, bye bye.